Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making one pot chicken and rice. It's infused with vegetables, it's healthy, it's a quick lunch or dinner idea. So let's get started. So I'm just going ahead to marinate my chicken. So this is a natural spice, some paprika, some curry, some chicken stock, that is actually Maggi chicken stock, and then I'm going to add some cube and then a little bit of salt, and I'll go ahead and stir it. So I've perfectly washed my chicken thigh that has been cut into pieces, so I'm going ahead to add my spices. Then with clean hand, I'm just making sure that every bit of my chicken is well marinated with the spice. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of cooking oil and then cover it for it to marinate for about 30 minutes. You can also put this in the refrigerator for it to marinate quickly. So whilst that is marinating, let's get to the other thing. I'm going to add just about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and then I'm going to add my marinated chicken into a pot. That is the same pot that I'm going to use to cook my rice. So I'm just going to let it brown on each side, and whilst that is browning, these are the vegetables that I'm going to use. Some red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green pepper, some onions, carrots, and then spring onions. It looks so colorful. So now I'm just going ahead to turn it to the other side so that the other side can also brown a little bit. If you have made it this far into watching the video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Thank you. Our chicken is ready, so on to the next step. Then in the same pot, I'm just going ahead to add my vegetables, like every vegetable that I mentioned. Now you can use any vegetable of your choice. It's not necessary for you to use the same vegetables that I use. So after adding my vegetables, I'm just going ahead to stir it. I'm so sorry guys, my lightning here was so bad, but I'm going ahead to add about 3 cups of rice. Yes, I didn't wash my rice. I don't like it, but if you want, you can wash your rice. So I'm just gonna ahead to add about 1 cup of chicken stock. Now this is the stock that I prepared on my own after boiling my chicken, my previous chicken, not this chicken. I saved the stock. So like I said, my lightning here was so bad. It was so cloudy that day that I was recording, so I'm sorry guys. I'm going ahead to add about 1 cup of water and then a tablespoon of natural spice into this, and that's I'm going to cover it and let it cook. And after some time, I'm going ahead to add my already prepared chicken into it because it's not perfectly cooked at the time. So I'm just going to allow it for the steam of the rice to cook it. So I'm going to cover it and then allow it to cook for about 20 minutes. And after that, my rice came out perfect. Look at that color. Look at that color. I was so proud of it. I was like, I didn't think it would come out this beautiful. So I'm just going ahead to add a little bit of my vegetables into this and make it more colorful. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It looks so beautiful, and I didn't expect it to taste that nice. Like, I don't know if I've mentioned this, but every other thing that I cook on this channel, most of them I'm just trying it out for the first time, and this was one of them. It came out super delicious. Thank you guys for sticking with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.